Okay, now I will show you how to edit your layout. Again, this button should be unpressed, and zoom in to press I, zoom out. But I want to unroute this board for to show you something. Here it is auto route and here it is unroute board, and you see the board is unrouted now. Suppose now I want to create a layout manually, then what you need to do is press this button and then click on the line what that you want to layout. Then you see on the left side of the line the color is changed. So if I click once, then the leftmost line will be layouted, and then click again, then again click, 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 click. You see, I am doing layout. If you want to remove what you suppose you did mistake, then just click delete on the keyboard. You see I am pressing delete and the layout is deleting. Okay, so click, 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 click. This layout is done. So this way I can make a layout manually from any node to any node. Suppose I want to now layout this one. So then click, click, but you know this line and this line is different. This one and this one is different line, so I cannot cross this line this way. This is a wrong process. So delete, press delete, and then go in a different way. So this is right. You see, again I will show you. If I want to delete this, just click on that. This should be pressed. Click on that. Delete, 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 delete. You see, left side is deleted, but how can I go to the right side? Press X on the keyboard, then you can switch your side, and then delete, 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 delete. So suppose I want to change this layout like this way. Click, 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 and again click, delete, 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 delete. Press X again and delete, delete, and escape. You see, this line is now unrooted. So what I said, you cannot cross actually this way. You have to go in an alternate way without crossing any line. So this way you can layout. You can manually layout the whole board this way, but you don't need, because if your circuit is too big, you can do it by auto route option. Here I want to show you how to auto route. First I unroute the board. Here the whole board is unrouted. Then from refresh, minimize connections, the connection will be minimized. Then from auto, then auto route, then board. Okay, okay, so it is done. You see, the software do it for me. I don't need to do the manual routing all the time. But if the circuit is too long, I mean too big, in that case the software may not be able to route all the points between all the nodes. So you will see, suppose for this one it could, but suppose for it cannot do for this one. Then after you do auto route, you will see that this line is not routed and this line is kept as a yellow line. So you will zoom in on the whole circuit and see where the lines are still yellow. That means the software could not route. Then you will do it manually. Suppose this could not was not done auto routed, then I'll do it manually as I showed you last time. Okay, and in some of the cases you will find that it is also not possible to get connection between these 2 points. Here I am getting way, but maybe in some cases there will be no way. So what you need to do is to insert some jumper in your circuit. There are jumper, you can bring jumper in your circuit and then connect. So in case when you cannot route your circuit, you can bring jumper. I'll show you that later.